Oh, good idea. There's new action movie.
I prefer romance movie. I can love for me.
That's why you always cry in the cinema, Faiza.
Don't worry, I cry too sometimes.
Hey, don't touch me. At least it's so emotion.
Okay. How about this? First, we go to the bookstore, then watch a movie we all agree on.
Deal. And after that, let's grab bubble tea.
Yes, bubble tea is perfect.